Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your account on the Bitget crypto trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bitget application on your device, and once you have logged into your account, you will end up within the home page. From here, tap on the account icon at the top left corner. Now from this page, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, which will take you into the preferences page. Here you will now see the hide account toggle. If you tap on this button to enable this, you will now see the enable silent mode option. Tap on the enable button to enable silent mode right away. This will now hide your account from people that are searching for you. Your profile will not be found and people cannot follow you as well. If you wish to change this option back at any point of time in the future, you can once again go back to your profile page, then tap on the gear icon at the top right and turn off the hide account toggle. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to hide your account on the Bitget crypto trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.